Hello guys, I'm Kiran and today I'm back with a new video. Today we'll be flying a Cessna 172 Skyhawk and we're in the Hong Kong International Airport, runway 07 right. Today we'll be discussing about different parts of an aircraft and its uses. First thing to look at is the fuselage. The fuselage is the main body structure to which all the other components are attached. The fuselage contains the cockpit or flight deck and passenger compartment. One of the most important component which is attached to fuselage is wings. The wings are the most important lift producing part of an aircraft, which includes ailerons and flaps. Flaps are inboard section of the wings and operate together, increasing the lift for takeoff, and they are also used to increase drag for landing. Ailerons are found on the outerboard side of the wing, as one of the side goes up and the opposite side goes down, banking the aircraft and allowing it to have a balanced turn. The other most important component is the tail assembly, which provides stability and control for the aircraft. The tail assembly is composed of two main parts: the vertical stabilizer, fin or dorsal, to which the rudder is attached, and the horizontal stabilizer, to which the elevators are attached. These stabilizers as the airplane helps to keep the airplane pointed into the wind. The rudder and elevators allow the pilot to control the yaw and pitch motion of the airplane. The wing of the Cessna 172 is supported by wing strut, which you can find underneath the wings. And we have other basic components like the propeller, which provides power to the aircraft, and the landing gears. We'll shortly be taking off, and then I'll demonstrate using all of the parts mentioned in this video. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video.